Ladies and gentlemen, it's on with the action. And our fourth bout. This is an amateur rules competition held in the light heavyweight division under 93 kilos or 205 pounds. And our first fighter making his way to the cage and into the blue corner. Put your hands together for Damian Cansell.
And his opponent making his way to the red corner. Put your hands together for Andy the Vice Clamp. Ladies and gentlemen, your official introductions for this light heavyweight bout, sponsored by Extreme Strength and Conditioning. First, the fighter standing to my left in the blue corner. This fighter is 26 years of age, stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, and weighed in at 92.3 kilograms. He has a record of 1-0-0, hails from Bolton and represents SV Gym. He is Damian Cansell! And across the cage in the red corner, this fighter is 24 years of age, stands 6 feet 4 inches tall, and weighed in at 92.4 kilograms. He has a record of 1 win, no losses, and no draws. Hails from Lee and represents Team Coliseum. Put your hands together for Andy the Vice Clamp. This amateur bout is held over 3 3-minute rounds. So here we go, the big boss light heavyweight, what a takedown! What a takedown, a glorious takedown. Andy Clamp in top position, working from this side control position. He's got headshots in this so if he can get some space, he could throw some leather. Damian Cansell doing a great job though, holding Clampy close. He's keeping him nice and tight. It's what he needs to do. Couple of big shots landed though. He's giving his back there as well. I thought Andy Clamp would take his back then, but he just bulldozed him over. And mount position. This fight hasn't got long to last.
No, I think this is going to be over very, very shortly.
The big guys like this, you can't let them shots go on. Over and done with. Ladies and gentlemen, in our fourth bout of the evening, at just 51 seconds of the very first round, your winner by way of round and pound, in the red corner, Andy Clamp. Put your hands together for a gallant opponent in Damian Cansell.